Noong Nobyembre 19, 2024, ipinagdiwang ng buong mundo ang World Toilet Day. Ang temang Sanitation for Peace ay paalala kung gaano kahalaga ang malinis at ligtas na palikuran para sa isang mas maayos at masayang buhay. Inilunsad ng Domex Philippines at Knowledge Channel Foundation Incorporated ang animated episode na Eskwelang Unstoppable sa programang Payong K-Lusugan ng Knowledge Channel na ipinalabas noong December 10.
Escuelang Unstoppable is aligned with the DepEd prescribed curriculum for MAPE, specifically health, as it aims to teach our young grade 1 learners about basic toilet sanitation and proper hygiene behavior. The video will be distributed to the 39 public elementary schools in Tapat through flash drives.
Para sa latest updates, bumisita sa knowledgechannel.org.